When installing recessed incandescent fixtures in a closet, it's crucial to understand the safety requirements regarding enclosure. Specifically, the requirement that incandescent fixtures in closets need to be enclosed directly relates to fire safety. Enclosed in this context absolutely means that a recessed can must have a lens or other approved covering. The purpose of this lens is to create a physical barrier between the hot bulb of the incandescent fixture and the combustible materials typically found in a closet, such as clothing and stored items. Without this barrier, the heat from the bulb could potentially ignite these materials, leading to a fire. The lens, typically made of glass or a fire-resistant plastic, prevents direct contact between the bulb and any nearby items. It also helps to contain any broken glass should the bulb shatter. The enclosure ensures that any sparks or hot fragments from a failing bulb are also contained within the fixture. Therefore, the answer is yes. Enclosed in this context, especially for incandescent fixtures in closets, mandates that the recess can be fitted with a lens or similar approved covering. This is not simply a suggestion, but a safety requirement enforced by electrical codes to minimize the risk of fire in what is often a tightly packed and potentially hazardous environment. Choosing the right type of enclosed fixture and ensuring it is properly installed are critical for closet lighting safety.